Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are thinking of taking live streaming very serious in 2026, let me introduce to you the hottest live streaming app as at right now, Mimoon Party app. Yes, that's the hottest live streaming app. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things about Mimoon Party app that you are not going to see on other apps, as well as showing you how you can use the app. Before we go on, please like this video and let me know where you're watching from. So the very first thing you need to know about the Mimoon app is that it has fewer live streaming restrictions for hosts. So if you decide to be a host, unlike many other live streaming apps that they have a lot of restriction, Mimoon has very few restriction. Number two, there's a low barrier to entry. So whether you are an old streamer or a more experienced streamer, everybody is welcome and you have room to shine. So don't be afraid that, oh, if I'm just starting, will I be able to use this app? Yes, you can use the app. Number three, if you want to make money on this app, it is very easy. You don't need any in between and somebody that will be the one to collect your money, then they will now give you don't need that on this app. You can receive your money directly from the platform. So that's number three. Number four, wherever you are in the world, you can withdraw your money and your money will appear in your account within 2 hours. Very beautiful. The user very rapidly, and it is becoming one of the most formidable live streaming apps. So that's what you are going to do. You are going to check the description box for the link and download the app. So let us look at a walkthrough inside the app. This is what the app you download it. So you can sign in with your Google, Facebook, or your phone, whichever one. When you open the app, you are going to see different users from different countries. So you can see people from Nigeria. You're just going to see different users from different countries, but I want to take you through to see what the app looks like so that you'll be familiar with it. So you have follow, so you can follow me on the app. You have party, that is people who are live streaming. You have live, so they'll show you people from all over the world, from different countries, right? You have community. Can you see it? You have community. So community is where you can um text, post your pictures. That's where I make new friends in community. So you see, you have community here. You have chats. You get where you can invite friends, daily spin, activity centers, any communication, you are going to see it here. Then let us come to this dashboard place. So you have task, because on this app you can do task, you can invite people, you can spin, you have a place for your level, you dress, host. So let's look at the task, what the task entails. If you are still watching, let me know and tell me in the comment section that I'm still here. So now these are the ways you can, this task, now you can earn money doing this task. So let us look at the first task. While it is loading, please like this video. The network is kind of bad. Hold on guys. All right, so if you can earn your first $10 in the first week, so if you there's invitation reward is open to all users. When inviting a newcomer, you can earn 0.8 cents. Host duration reward, host can get 0.1 after 1 hour solo live, even if you don't have any money. So if you go live for 1 hour, you earn a reward. You can also earn 80 popcorns when on the mic or opening a party room for up to 120 minutes. As a host, you can apply to become a star host to achieve a bigger salary. So if that's what you're interested in, you see you can apply, right? So any task you do on this platform, you can earn some money from it. Then you can also make money by inviting your friends. You know, it is a task, you can earn up to $199. So that's another way you can earn. You can they say you can find your soulmate on the platform. Okay, that's interesting. So there are different tasks you can see: exclusive, newcomer, daily, live stream task. So let's look at this newcomer on. So if you party 120, so you can be seeing your, do you understand? If you party mic time 120 minutes, party live duration, you know, engage with community, post moments, comment on other people's moments. You know, it's social media. It's a party app, so you need to be active, right? So you do all those tasks, you invite people, you see, you party mic time today 30 minutes, you invite people, community, let's check the community. That's where you have to comment on, where you have to post your own, then you also have to comment on other people's own. So you have live duration reward. So if you go live 60 minutes, you get a reward of 5,000 like coins, lucky rewards, you know. So there's a lot on this app that you can make money from. Then you have the VIP. If you want to boost your earning, right, you can do the VIP subscription. So they have different parts. For 1 week, 11,000 naira, that's about 1,571 naira per day. For a month, you have 23,000. 3 months, 55,500. For 1 year, 166,500. So it's going to boost your earning if you use any of the VIP method. So your beans reward will be doubled, your top up reward will be doubled, your top up bonus will be doubled. You also have exclusive dress up 4/4, nameplate, seat frame. All these things help your live streams to be more interesting, you know. So when you pay for the VIP, you get that. You have party room background, beauty stickers, HD quality on live, fan summon, emoticons. So these are the benefits of using the VIP part. Then you have the SVIP. The SVIP is different from the VIP. VIP gives you 15 benefits. SVIP gives you 19 benefits. Okay, so yeah, that's all that you need to know. So if you want to recharge, I'm going to do another video on how to recharge on the platform so that you can interact with other users, you can gift people, people can gift you. I'll also show you how you can get your money in your local currency. Remember I told you that you can receive your money anywhere in the world, but let me show you how you can quickly, as a new user, make some quick coins. So if you follow Mimoon on social media platforms, you are going to earn little points. Okay, you are going to earn. Let's allow it come up, right? So I will show you now. So I want to earn 1,000 bean bags. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to earn 1,000 bean bags. Mind you, all these bean bags is money. You can convert it to your local currency. If you've had experience with live streaming, tell us in the comment section. What was your own experience? Was it negative? Was it positive? Let's know in the comment section. So this is how you're going to get free 1,000 coins. So you're going to follow them on YouTube and Facebook. Then you bring your ID. I'll show you where you can get your ID. You put your screenshots from YouTube that you followed them, and Facebook. If you have any questions, their WhatsApp contact is here. So let's practicalize it.
If you want to
So I
learn
click
how to
on their
master using
YouTube
AI,
platform.
go watch YouTube videos.
So this is their YouTube platform. You can see how you can earn more as a host. So I'm just going to click on subscribe. Then you take a screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot here. So I'm going to come back, go to Facebook. All right. I'm going to follow and take a screenshot. Now come back to the app. You see your ID under your what's it called now, under your name. So I'm just going to take my ID. I'm going to come back here. So I'm going to fill in my ID. Are you seeing it? So I'm going to click on the screenshots for YouTube. So this is my YouTube screenshot. I will upload it. I'm going to go for the Facebook one. I will upload it. Right. You see, I want to get my first 1000 pin bags on Mimoon app. So why is it not uploaded? Anyway, let's not waste our time. I've sent a message to their contact person. You can see the WhatsApp below the screen. Let me know in the comment section. Remember to use the link in the description box as well as the pinned comment. Are you going to start live streaming on Mimoon app? And if you like support, join my WhatsApp group in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.